So that one was in a major key. It's in 4-time. Well, that's quite hard to hear because of the rubato, i.e. the beat pulls about a bit expressively. The form in this case is basically the same tune 3 times, getting louder each time, then a different bit, like a middle 8 in a pop song for contrast, then a short version of the tune, rather like a coda. The composer, as some of you will know, is Rachmaninoff. Again, I'm not explaining why I've chosen this. Remember it for later. Now, this session is directly about writing variations, but the stuff we've been talking about applies to lots of other types of composing. A song, for instance. Each verse can have different instruments, harmonies, texture. Even the simplest pop song will add or take away instruments in each verse. In a ternary piece, a simple musical form, ABA, a musical sandwich, the second A section at the end will be some kind of variation of the first one in most cases. In a piece of film music, you might want to use the same theme for a character but in 2 different moods, or speed up a tune because the action is heating up. This is variation. A blues is a 12-bar repeated pattern, which is in fact itself a set of variations. So there's hardly any kind of music you could compose where these ideas would not be in play. Now listen to this next example. It is a set of variations, but rather too complicated to count how many as they merge into each other. Again, there are some questions.